Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Services. So in this video I will talk about NDA paper 1 answer key, and this is the actually answer key of NDA mathematics paper, that is called as a paper 1. And GS paper is already discussed in my channel, so if you want to watch the GS question paper, paper 2 answer key, you can go into my channel, and it is uploaded into the three parts: part 1, part 2 and part 3. So part 1 and part 2 goes for general studies part, I mean part B, and third video goes for English, so you can watch it in my channel. Anyway, let's solve the question paper of this mathematics paper. So the angle of elevation of a stationary cloud from a point 25-meter above a lake is 15 degree, and angle of depression of its image in the lake is 45 degree. The height of the cloud above the lake level is. So I have solved this question. This is 50 meters. This is simple question of trigonometry. You can solve this question. Let me tell you one thing: during solving the question paper, maybe some mistakes will be there. So I am requesting with you, please write down the comments below, so that at least I can understand. I will be able to know that what kind of mistakes I committed. Anyway, let's go to next question. The value of tan 90 degree minus tan 27 degree minus tan 63 plus tan 81. So you have to apply the formula tan a plus b. So solving this question, you will get the answer 4. Okay. The value of root 3 cosec 20 degree minus sec 20 degree is equal to, these are little difficult question, minus 4. So this answer is minus 4. Angle alpha is divided into two parts A and B such that A minus B equal to x and tan A upon tan B equal to P upon Q. The value of sin x is equal to, so what will be the value of sin x? So you can solve this question. You will get the value P sin alpha upon P plus Q. I can discuss all these questions, but actually time is not that sufficient that I can discuss all these 120 questions. It's difficult. If you have any query, you can write down the questions, comment below. Later on in next video I will discuss those questions too. The value of sin inverse 3 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to, solve this question, you will get the 5 by 4. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from the top and foot of a pole are respectively 30 degree and 45 degree. If ST is height of the tower and SP is the height of the pole, then which one of the following are correct? So actually first one and second one are correct. So 2sp upon st upon 3 plus root 3 equal to sp square, and st minus sp upon root 3 plus 1 is equal to sp upon 2. So these two statements are correct. Okay. In a triangle ABC, a minus 2b plus c equal to 0. So the value of cot a upon 2 into cot c upon 2 is equal to, so it will be 9 by 2. So this is the right answer. Next question is under root 1 plus sin a equal to minus sin a by 2 plus cos a by 2 is true if. So what is the condition? So this is a little tricky question. So a more than 0 and less than 3 pi by 2. So this suits for that. If triangle ABC is sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c upon cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c equal to 2, then the triangle is, so what kind of triangle is this? So it will be equilateral triangle. You can solve this question only if it is equilateral triangle, only then you will get the value as a 2. The principal value of sin inverse x lies in the, so principal value of sin inverse x lies in the, so this is kind of value of range, so minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. The points a b 0 0 minus a minus b and ab b square r, so what are these? They are vertices of a rectangle. As you can see, distance will be same, horizontal and vertical distance will be same. The length of a normal from origin to the plane x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9 is equal to, so actually it is 3 units. You can solve this question, you will get the answer. If alpha, beta and gamma are the angles which the vector OP, O being the origin, makes with positive direction of the coordinate axis, then which of the following are correct? So second and third statements are true. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta equal to cos square gamma, and sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to 2. So these two statements are true. Next question is the angle between the lines x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 and x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 is alpha, and the acute angle between the lines x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 equal to 0 and root 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is beta. Which one of the following statement is correct? Solve this question, you will get the answer alpha equal to beta. Let alpha vector alpha equal to I plus 2j minus k and beta is equal to 2i minus j plus 3k and gamma equal to 2i plus j plus 6k be three vectors. If alpha and beta are the both perpendicular to the vector delta and delta into delta dot gamma equal to 10, then what is the magnitude of the delta? Just put those values delta and gamma add here and you will get the results. So it will be root 3 units. Okay. Next question is if x plus log 1 plus 2x, if x plus log 1 plus 2 to the power x base 10 equal to x log 5 to the base 10 plus log 6 to the base 10, then x is equal to, so put solve this question, you will get the value 1. Okay, C option will be right. The remainder and the quotient of the binary division 1 0 1 1 1 0, this base is 2 divided by 1 1 0 2 are respectively. Solve these binary things and you will get the answer 101 base 2 and 101 base 2. Okay, so next question is 18th one. The matrix A has x rows and x plus 5 columns. The matrix B has y rows and 11 minus y columns. Both AB and BA exist. What are the values of x and y respectively? So values of x and y respectively will be 8 and 3. Solve this question, you will get the answer. If Sn equal to np plus n into n minus 1 q upon 2, where Sn denotes the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression, then the common difference is, so it will be q. Okay, the roots of the equation q minus r x square plus r minus p into x plus p minus q equal to 0. Solve this question, x square plus, this simple question, x square plus bx plus c. Solve this question, you will get the answer q minus r upon p minus q and 1. Okay, if E is the universal set and A equal to B union C, then the set E minus E minus E minus E minus E minus A is same as set of B union C. This is simple set question problem of set. You will get to know about this answer. If A equal to x such that x is the multiple of 2 and B equal to x such that x is a multiple of 5 and C equal to x such that x is the multiple of 10, then A intersection B intersection C is equal to, so it will be equal to C. Okay, if alpha and beta are the roots of equation 1 plus x square equal to 0, then the matrix product, solve this question and you will get the answer. So A will be suitable for that, 1 1 1 2. Okay, if A denotes the absolute value of an integer, then which of the following are correct? So you got the option A will be correct, mod AB equal to mod A mod B, and mod A minus B is more than or equal to mod A minus mod B. Okay, so these things are very true. Second one is not true because if mod A plus B should be more than. Okay, next question is how many different permutation can be made out of the letters of the word permutation. So look at the words and then after apply your formula of permutation, you will get the answer 39916,800. Next question is if A equal to 4 iota minus 6, 10 iota, 14 iota, 6 plus 4 iota and k equal to 1.2 iota, where obviously is I equal to iota, then k is ka is equal to, so multiply these things and you will get the right answer, and right answer will be the D. Okay, next question is the sum of all real roots of the equation x mod x minus 3 square plus x minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So right answer is A. Okay, just a second. It is given that the roots of the equation x square minus 4x minus log p to the base 3 equal to 0 are real. For this, the minimum value of p is, so minimum value of p will be 1 by 27. You will get the answer after differentiation. Anyway, if A is a square matrix, the value of adjacent A transpose minus adjacent A transpose equal to, you can see this is comma. What is the difference of these covers? So right answer will be A. Okay. The value of the product 6 power 1 by 2 plus 6 power 1 by 4 plus 6 power 1 by 8 plus 6 power 1 by 16 into dot up to infinite terms is, so right answer is 36. So it's not gonna raise too much, so right answer is 36. Okay, let's see the next question, 31st one. So next question is A and B, these are unit vectors, are two unit vectors, then the vector A plus B cross A cross B, okay, A into B is parallel to, so it's 2A minus B. Solve this question, you will get the answer. Let's hurry up. A force F equal to I plus 3J plus 2K acts on a particle to displace it from point A I plus 2J minus 3K to the point B 3I minus J plus 5K. The work done by the force will be, so this is simple question, you have to just multiply. This is force acts on a particle to displace it from the point A point B, so this is displacement, then the work done. What is work is force and displacement, so we'll get the answer 9 units. For any vector A cross I square plus A cross J square plus A cross K square, so is equal to, so it will be mod A square. Next question is, a man running around a race course notes that the sum of the distance of two flag posts from him is always 10 meter and the distance between the flag post is 8 meter. The area of the path he encloses is, so it will be 15 pi square meters. Okay, the distance of the point 1 3 from the line 2x plus 3y equal to 6 measured parallel to the line 4x plus y equal to 4 is under root 7 units. Okay, if the vector ai plus j plus k, I plus bj plus k and I plus j plus ck, okay, a and b and c is not equal to 1 are coplanar, then the value of 1 upon a plus 1 upon b 1 upon 1 minus a plus 1 upon 1 minus b plus 1 upon 1 minus c is equal to, so right answer will be abc. Okay, the point of intersection of the line joining the points minus 3 4 minus 8 and the 5 minus 6 4 with xy plane is, so it right option will be 7 by 3 minus 8 by 3 and 0. So these are the point of intersection. If the angle between the lines whose direction ratios are 2 minus 1 2 and x 3 5 is 5 4, then the smaller value of x is, so smaller value of x will be 2. Next question is, the position of the point 1 2 relative to the ellipse 2x square plus 7y square equal to 20 is, so it will be at the focus. Okay, next question is, the equation of a straight line which cuts off an intercept of 5 units on negative direction of y-axis and makes an angle 120 degree with positive direction of x-axis is y plus root 3x plus 5. Next question is, the equation of the line passing through the point 2 3 and the point of intersection of lines 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 and 7x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 is, so it will be 21x plus 46y minus 180 equal to 0. Next question is, the equation of the ellipse whose center is at the origin, major axis is along x-axis with eccentricity is equal to 3 by 4 and latest rectum is 4 units is, so its C option will be right, 7x square upon 10224 plus 49y square upon 64 equal to 1. Next question is, the equation of the circle which passes through the points 1 0 0 minus 6 and 3 4 is, right answer will be 4x square plus 4y square minus 140x 142x minus 47y plus 138 equal to 0. Next question is, a variable plane passes through the fixed point A, B, C and cuts the axis in A, B and C respectively. The locus of the center of the sphere O, A, B, C, O being the origin is A upon S plus B upon Y plus C upon Z equal to 2. The equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the plane X plus Y plus Z equal to 1, 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 7 and perpendicular to the plane X minus 5y plus 3z equal to 5 is given by, so right answer will be 3x plus 4y plus 5z plus 8 equal to 0. Next question is the value of determinant. So you have to find out the value of this determinant. So right answer will be cos 2 theta. Just find out this value. The number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power 10 plus x minus a whole power 100 after simplification. So this is kind of tricky but simple one. 101. The expansion of 1 plus x whole power 50. The sum of the coefficient of odd powers of x is. So you know how to solve this question. 2 to the power 26. If a, b, and c are non-zero real numbers, then the inverse of the matrix. So you have to find out the inverse of this matrix is equal to, right option will be D, 1 upon ABC, A 0 0, 0 B 0 and 0 0 C. So D option is right. A person is to count 4500 notes. Let AN denote the number of note he counted in the nth minute. If A1, A2, A3 equal to A10 equal to 150 and A10, A11, A12 are in arithmetic progression with a common difference minus 2, then the time taken by him to count all the notes will be, so it will be 34 minutes. Anyway, solve this question and you will get the answer. Next question is, just a second, the smallest positive integer n for which 1 plus I upon 1 minus I whole power n equal to 1 is, so value of n will be 4. If we define a ratio relation R on the set n and n cross n as a, b, r, c, d, okay, a plus d equal to b plus c for all a, b, c, d is subset of n into n, then the relation is, so it will be equivalence relation, a little difficult but you have to know that. Y equal to x plus x square plus x cube plus dash up to infinite terms where x is less than 1, then which one of the following is correct? So x equal to y upon 1 plus y, so 53 ka A. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, then the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta inverse and beta plus alpha inverse are, so it will be 3x square plus 8x minus 16 equal to 0. Next question is the value of 1 upon log e to the base 3 plus 1 upon log e square to the base 3 plus 1 upon log e power 4 to the base e plus dash up to infinite terms. So what will be the value? Log 3 to the base e. Okay, this is very interesting question. The tea party is arranged for 16 people along two sides of the long table with 8 chairs on each side. 4 particular men wish to sit on one particular side and 2 particular men on the other side. The number of ways they can be seated is factorial 8 to power 3. So these kind of questions are very important. You have to solve this kind of question regularly. The system of equation kx plus y plus z equal to 1, x plus ky plus z equal to k, and x plus y plus kz equal to k square has no solution if k equal to 1. So this is the question of triple variables. Anyway, next question is if 1 dot 1 into 3 plus 2 3 square plus 3 dot 3 square cube plus n dot 3 to power n equal to 2n minus 1 whole into 3 to the power a plus b upon 4, so then a and b are respectively, so a and b are respectively n plus 1 and 2. Okay, if triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, if angle r equal to pi by 2 and if tan pi by 2 and tan q by 2 are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then which of the following is correct? So b equal to c plus a is the correct. If mod z minus 4 upon z equal to 2, then the maximum value of mod z is equal to, so maximum value of mod z is equal to 1 plus root 5. Let's see the next question. Let g be the greatest integer function, then the function fx is equal to gx whole square minus gx square is discontinuous at all integers. Okay, the differential equation of minimum order for by eliminating the ordinary constants a and c in the equation y equal to a sin x plus c plus cos x plus c is, so right answer will be y double dash equal to y dash whole square plus sin x cos x. And next question is consider following statements. Statement 1 is given x is more than sin x for all x more than 0. Statement 2 is fx is equal to x minus sin x is an increasing function for all x is more than 0. Which one of the following statement is correct? So statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false, so C option is right. Anyway, next question is The solution of differential equation y. So this is given over here. Dy upon dx is equal to y 5 dash x minus y square upon 5x. So it is y equal to x upon 5x plus c. If fx equal to 4x plus s power 4 upon 1 plus 4x cube and gx is equal to ln 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, then what is the value of f dot g e minus 1 upon e plus 1? So right option will be 2. Okay. The value of determinant 1 minus alpha, alpha minus alpha square, 1 minus beta, beta minus beta square, 1 minus gamma, gamma minus gamma square, or gamma square is equal to, so B option is right, alpha minus beta, beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha. Next question is the adjoint of the matrix. So this matrix is given, so adjoint of matrix is A option is right, minus 1, minus 2, 6, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 6, 6, 1, 3, and 2, minus 4, 1. So this is the right answer. Anyway, next question is if A equal to minus 2, 2, 2, minus 2, then which of the following is correct? So QB plus. So right option is A square equal to 4A. So please remember this one. A square equal to 4A is the right one. Geometrically, RE z square minus I equal to 2, where I equal to iota means root minus 1, and RE is the real part. 0 represents, so it represents the rectangular hyperbola. Okay, it represents rectangular hyperbola. 70th question is P plus Q plus R equal to A plus B plus C equal to 0. Then the determinant PA, PQB, RC. Okay, PQC, RA and PB, and RB, PC and QA equals to, so what will be equals to? D option is right, PA plus QB plus RC equal to A plus B plus C. A committee of 2 persons is selected from 2 men and 2 women. The probability that the committee will have exactly 1 woman is, so right option is 1 by 2. So this is the right option. D option is right. Let a disk be loaded in such a way that even faces are twice likely to occur as the odd faces. What is the probability that a prime number will show up when the die is tossed? Third option is D, 5 by 9. Okay, so 5 by 9 and 1 by 2. So these two things will be back. Okay, the probability of the prime number will show when the die is tossed. For two events A and B, let PA equal to 1 by 2 and PA union B equal to 2 by 3 and P intersection B is equal to 1 by 3. What is the P mod A PA bar intersection B equal to, so it will be equal to 1 by 3. So you have to solve this question. This is kind of question of set. Anyway, let the sample space consist of non-negative integers. Question number 73. Let's see again. Let the sample space consist of non-negative integers up to 50. X denote the numbers which are multiple of 3 and Y denotes the odd numbers. Which of the following is correct? So correct one is neither 1 nor 2. So both are wrong. Anyway, next question is 75th. Consider the following statement. Coefficient of variation depends on the unit of measurement of the variable, and range is a measure of dispersion. Mean deviation is least when measured about median. So right option is range is a measure of dispersion and mean deviation is least when measured about median. Just hold on. Okay. So the inverse of the function y equal to 5 ln x, 5 power ln x is, so right option is D, x is equal to 5 ln y, and where y is more than 0. 77th question, the function of is defined as follows. Fx is equal to minus x upon under x square and x is not equal to 0 and 0 when x is equal to 0. Which of the following is correct respect to the above function? So this is kind of question of function and very important question. Fx is continuous as well as differentiable at x is equal to 0. Just solve this question and you will get the answer. If y equal to cos x power cos x power cos x, and this is like that, then dy 1 dx is equal to, so right option is minus y square tan x upon 1 minus y ln cos x. So right option will be A. Consider the following statements. X plus x square is continuous at x equal to 0. Yes, that's true. x plus cos 1 upon x is discontinuous at x equal to 0. That's true. X square plus cos 1 upon x is continuous at x equal to 0. Yeah, put the value, put the formula, and you will get the results. Consider the following statements. So right statement is dy upon dx at a point on the curve gives slope of the tangent at that point. This is only statement which is true. So only C option is true. So only one is first statement is true. Rest are not true. If y equal to sec inverse x plus 1 upon x minus 1 plus sin inverse x minus 1 upon x plus 1, then dy upon dx is equal to, so dy upon dx is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. This is right answer. So D option is right. What is the integral tan inverse sec x plus tan x dx equal to? So right option is C, pi x by 4 plus pi x square by 4 plus C. Okay, C option is right. A function is defined in 0 to infinity by fx is equal to, these are things given, 1 minus x square for x is more than 0 and less than or equal to 1, ln x for x is more than 1 and less than or equal to 2, ln 2 minus 1 plus 0.5x for x is more than 2 and less than infinity. Which of the following is correct in the respect of the derivative of the function f dash x? So that option is f dash x is equal to minus 2x for x is more than 0 and less than 1. Okay, this satisfies. Which of the following is correct in respect of the function fx is equal to ax into x minus 1 into x plus 1? Okay, so it seems the function has no local maximum. Okay, next question is consider the following statements. Derivative of fx may not exist at some point. Yeah, that's true. Derivative of fx may exist finitely at some point. That's also true. And derivative of fx may be infinite at some point. No, this is not true. So 1 and 2 are true. So option A is right. The maximum value of ln x upon x is, so this is very big question, important question, 1 upon e. It was asked in so many exams. Next question is the function fx is equal to mod x minus x cube is, so it is neither even nor odd. Okay, next question is ln equal to d upon dx e power sin x. Okay, ld is equal to limit h tends to 0 e sin x plus h minus e sin x upon h, and L3 equal to integral e power sin x cos x dx. Then which of the following is correct? So actually L1 is not equal to L2. So that statement is true. The general solution of dy by dx equal to ax plus h upon by plus k. So represents a circle only when a equal to b equal to 0. Okay. Next question is if limit x tends to pi by 2 sin x upon x equal to 1 L, and limit x tends to infinity cos x upon x is equal to m, then which of the following statement is correct? So this is statement must be correct. L equal to 2 upon pi and m equal to infinity. So that statement is true. Next question is 91st. Given that the arithmetic mean and standard deviation of a sample of 15 observation are 24 and 0 respectively, then which one of the following is statement which following is the arithmetic mean of the smallest 5 observation in the data? So obviously A option is true. A option is true. Which of the following can be considered as appropriate pair of values of regression coefficient of y on x and regression coefficient of x on y? So right option is minus 1 by 2 and 2. 92nd C. Let A and B be two events with PA equal to 1 by 3 and PB equal to 1 by 6 and PA intersection B equal to 1 by 12. What is the PB A bar equals to? So it will be equal to 1 by 5. Okay. So this is how transfer works. In a binomial distribution, the mean is 2 by 3 and the variation is 5 by 9. What is the probability that x equal to 2? So it's actually, solve this question, you will get the answer 25 by 216. Okay. The next question is the probability that a ship safely reaches a port is 1 by 3. The probability that out of the 5 ships, at least 4 ships would arrive safely is. Option is 10 by 243. Next question is what is the probability that at least 2 persons out of a group of 3 persons are born in same month and disregard year? The option is A, 33 by 144. Okay. Next question is it is given that bar x is equal to 10 and bar y is equal to 90 and sigma x is equal to 3, sigma y equal to 12 and sigma tau x is equal to 0.8. So the regression equation of x and y is, the option is C, x is equal to minus 8 plus 0.2y. Anyway, next question is if PB equal to 3 by 4 and PA intersection B intersection C bar equal to 1 by 3 and PA bar intersection B bar B intersection C dash C bar equal to 1 by 3, then what is the PB intersection C? So that option is B, 3 by 4. Okay. The following table gives the monthly expenditure of two families. These are monthly expenditure of two families. This is written here. In constructing pie diagram to the above data, the radii of circle are to be chosen by which of the following ratios? So 1:91 will be better. So sorry, C option is right. I took D. So but C option is right. Okay. So 100:91. Next question is if the variable takes values 0, 1, 2, 3, n, whether frequency is 1, cn plus 1, cn1, cn2, cn3, and so many other cnn, then arithmetic mean is n by 2. Okay, arithmetic mean is n by 2. If a multiple choice test in a multiple choice test, an examinee either knows the correct answer with the probability p1 or guesses with the probability 1 minus p, the probability of answering a question correctly is 1 by m. If he or she merely guesses, if the examinee answers a question correctly, the probability that he or she really knows the answer is. So that option is m minus 1 into p upon 1 plus mp. Okay. Next question is if x1 and x2 are positive, just a second. If x1 and x2 are positive quantities, then the condition for difference between the arithmetic mean and geometric mean to be greater than 1 is. So that option is x1 plus x2 less than 2 and 1 over x1 x2 plus 1. So D option is right. Next question is consider the following statement: variance is unaffected by change of origin and change of scale, and coefficient of variance is independent of the unit of observation. Right option is B. Okay, 5 sticks of length 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 feet are given. 3 of these sticks are selected at random. What is the probability that the selected sticks can form a triangle? So actually it's 0 chances. The coefficient of correlation when coefficient of regression are 0.2 and 1 is 1.8 is 0.6. Okay. Next question is what is integral 0 to pi under root 1 plus sin x by 2 dx equal to? So it is equals to D. The area bounded by the curve mod x plus mod y equal to 1 is 1 square unit, obviously. If x is any real number, then x square upon 1 plus x power 4 belongs to which of the following intervals? So it belongs to 0, 1. Okay, this is the interval. Okay. Next question is the left hand derivative of fx is equal to mod x sin pi x at x equal to k, where k is an integer and mod x this x is the greatest integer function is. So it's minus 1 whole power k pi. This is how you can solve. If fx equal to x by 2 minus 1, then on the interval 0 pi, which of the following is correct? So C option is right, tan fx, where what is the greatest integer function? This this bracket actually in this it is written integer function and 1 upon fx are both continuous. The order and degree of the differential equation. So this is the differential equation: 1 plus dy upon dx whole square, then whole power 3 plus rho square d square y upon dx square whole power 2. So you have to solve this question first, and then after you will get the results. So it's a 2 and 2. Okay. So B option is right. Next question is if y equal to cos inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, then dy upon dx is equal to. So actually dy upon dx is equal to none of the above. All of them are not right. None of them are right. They are the set of all points where the function fx equal to 1 minus e power minus x by x square is differentiable is. So that option is minus 1 theta. Okay. Next question is match list 1 and list 2. So function and maximum value. So these are the maximum value you have to find out. So a का क्या हो जाएगा? A का 2, B का 3, C का 4 and D का 1. So you can match it over here. So match one, B option is right. If fx is equal to x under root x minus under root x plus 1, then fx is So fx is not continuous at x is equal to 0. That's truth. So fx is not continuous at x equal to 0. Next question is which of the following graphs represent the function fx is equal to x upon x dash where x is not equal to 0. So A option seems right. So this is right, A option. Let fn equal to 1 upon 4 plus n upon 1000 where x denotes the integral part of x, then the value summation n equal to 1 fx is fn is, that option is 0. So the value of summation equal to 1 to 1000 fn is 0. Integral ln x inverse dx minus ln x over minus 2 dx is equal to, the option is x ln 2 power minus 2 plus c. A cylindrical jar without a lid has to be constructed under using a given surface area of a metal sheet. If the capacity of the jar is to be maximum, then the diameter of the jar must be k times the height of the jar. The value of k is, so value of k will be 4. Okay, the option is right. The value of 0 to pi by 4 under root tan x dx plus 0 to pi by 4 under root cos x dx is equal to, so that option is pi by root 2. So these are the questions. These are the 120 questions of NDA paper 1, and very soon I'll discuss with some guys about the cutoff analysis, and very soon I'll upload about the cutoff analysis of NDA. Okay, so if you want to watch my other videos, you can subscribe the channel, and that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do not forget to hit like button, and please do comment below. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.